Hello folks, and thanks for watching. Here we have a fantastic Songbird, Carson Songbird Thunderbird jukebox in a nice pink Thunderbird classic colour. This is 160 selections. Let me just select one here. 101 we'll go for, and we hit the hit button. It will select it. You'll see the mechanism kicking into play. Selecting the record, and it will play. I've got it on at a low volume. It's got a lot of volume, this jukebox. You're more than welcome to come down and give it a try, and you'll get a real blast of it physically. But yeah, any questions at all, just give us a shout, and we'll help to answer any questions. We're actually selling this for a friend who has had it in storage with us for some time. But it's got to a stage where it's got to a time where it's got to go, and unfortunately we don't have the space for it anymore either for him. So it's a good time to get a chance to buy something as rare as this. They don't come up for sale very often. Some people have talked about converting them to maybe an MP3 player, but personally I like the old retro effect of the record jukebox. Any questions, just give us a shout. We're always happy to help answer them. You're more than welcome to come and view this wonderful piece. Thanks again for watching, folks. Bye for now.